Welcome back to the channel, folks. As today we post on everything new about technology and gadgets. Today, we are going to discuss the Samsung Galaxy Ring, which could very well prove to be a game-changing wearable. Let's dive in. Galaxy Ring. What is it? It's a stylish fitness tracker in ring form. Samsung pitches it as the next big evolution in wearables. We have witnessed smart rings like Aura Ring, but Samsung can get things even different with its Galaxy lineup. The key idea here is to offer all the significant health and fitness tracking features without making it bulky to wear like a smartwatch. Who would not want that? Therefore, the Galaxy Ring will probably offer all the basics: heart rate monitoring, sleep tracking, and maybe ECG or blood pressure monitoring in a ring. Now, let's talk about why choose a ring over a smartwatch or fitness tracker. Well, for one, the Galaxy Ring is discreet, and it doesn't need to be charged every day, which might last for days on end, even possibly a week, if the rumors prove true. Moreover, it's cooler. Those who want the benefits of a fitness tracker without the bulkiness of a wristband will enjoy their Galaxy Ring. Sleek, subtle, and probably the most advanced health tracking wearable in the world today. Let's get to the specifications. While Samsung hasn't fully disclosed it, various leaks point to the fact that it will have advanced fitness tracking sensors, will closely work with Samsung Health, and might offer temperature and stress level monitoring. Still, deep integration with the Galaxy ecosystem is something that Samsung will probably assure. Imagine syncing your Galaxy Ring with your phone, tablet, or even with smart home gadgets for a connected experience. The price will have to be discussed. This technology inside such a small ring isn't going to be cheap. The Galaxy Ring could sit in a similar price bracket as top-of-the-line smartwatches, which is probably around $200, $300, or even more, depending on the feature list. For others, that's a minor price. One pays for advanced technology that feels virtually unnoticeable. In the end, it's a matter of your preference between the smartwatch's large screen and features or the minimal, convenient design of the Galaxy Ring. What do you think? Would you trade your smartwatch for the Samsung Galaxy Ring, or is it too futuristic? Leave your comment below. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech updates. This is DLL Studio Cell, and I'll see you in the next one.